no matter how it is. They have seen the whole writing on the wall.
Yes.
That is very clear. So that is what I can say at the moment about what is going on.
Okay, lastly, as it stands now, the Igbos are not going to protest. They are saying they are not going to protest. But the protesters are spent on, it might lead to Tinubu must go at the end of the day if there is excessive force on the protesters. And Igbo businesses are everywhere. You know, Igbos are saying, you know, because of their interest. No. What is your take on that?
My brother, this is something that is that must come. Somebody like me, I've been saying it to my friends. On any platform, I used to tell people how it will be at the end. Igbos that establish or buy properties in any part of the country, leaving their land. Quite alright, Igbos used to establish in their own land. They know, or if they don't know, they must lose their property within some time. You know why? You know, Nigeria is not a nation. Nigeria is a country. And they can never be one. They are just managing it. One, they don't have one faith. They don't have common interest. Or you look at what is going on in many countries, like Kenya, many other countries. They come together and fight for one cause. If the citizens say they don't like this leader, or this leadership is wrong, they will come out, irrespective of the tribes, ethnic groups, and religious differences. You understand? They come with the interest of good governance. But here, you know why it's difficult for Nigerians to achieve that? They don't have common faith. And they don't have trust and belief of that oneness. They don't have it here. They have that jealousy. They have the hatred against, especially the Igbos. You remember globally, among all blacks, you know what they talk about Igbos? Igbos is the best ethnic group among blacks. You understand? They stand tall among all blacks. So now, that particular thing you asked, all Igbos who establish outside their land know at one point in time they will lose their property. They must. Oga, they must. And they know that one time Nigeria will divide. And it is here. Nigeria can never be repaired. Nigeria can never be won. Unless you want to lie against yourself. Nigeria can never exist as one for long. We are not one. Birds of the same feather, don't they flock together? Can you see goat climbing a dog to mate with dog? Goat mating with dog? Can you see horse climbing cow? How can you say Igbos and Yoruba will work together? It's not possible. How can you say Igbo and Hausa will work together? It's not possible. You are lying against yourself. You understand? So this is the time. They will lose their property. Quite alright. So this protest you see how it's coming. It will be very, very difficult for the Yorubas to divert the interest or the cause of the protest. You understand? It will be very difficult for them. They can't change the mindset. They can't change the interest or the goal of the protesters. They can't change it. The thing remains sacrosanct. That particular, you know, what is uniting many tribes in the country now, especially in this particular protest, is hunger, frustration, do they call it lack of faith? That is, they don't know what future brings.
The starvation policy.
Life, they don't know what future brings. They don't know what future means is evening. In the morning, like if there is some family cigarette and drink, they don't know what they will eat in the evening. So that kind of hopelessness is everywhere now. Small time there's no fuel. Look at there's no fuel. Small time there will be issue of a network problem for your money in the bank. Yeah. You go to bank, want to withdraw money, you can't access your money anymore.
Yes, so, even now, no MTN, about 11 million subscribers in MTN.
Yes, including my wife.
Okay.
So See, my brother, Nigeria is, do you know that hell is more organized than Nigeria? Do you know? Do you know hell? If you do more evil for Satan, he will give you honor. But here, my brother, I don't know how to say this. If you do evil, they will say you are a stupid man. You do good, they will kill, they will hang you faster. You don't know where you want to, belong. You don't know how to survive here. You have vehicle, you have all the particulars. You drive outside, police will arrest you. They will question you, ask you this one, carry you go to station, delay you. At the end, you pay yourself with 100,000. You didn't commit any crime. Sometimes they will ask you, are you from where? Are you from where? You say you're an Igbo man. You say Igbo, bastard, this, that. The same country, oh. You understand? You'll be looking for a house. They will ask you, are you from where? So how are you? See how the nation is. The country is a mess. Do you know rat? Rat race. Rat race is better than Nigeria. You know how they live. If this one see another one, you bite it. You bite this one. Everywhere, wahala. Go to where rats are living together. See how they live. This one pay. This one bite this one. This one bite it. Nigeria is worse than rat community. It's right. I'm not lying. I say hell is more organized. Where Satan is in charge, it's more organized than Nigeria. Hell. I am telling you. Look around. See, there's no bus stations. Task force can come here and arrest all these bus drivers, impound their vehicles and tell them 50,000. A nation that doesn't have a fixed amount of punishment for any offense committed. If you park vehicle, instead of them to say, this is what you are supposed to pay, they can tell you...
the judgment is based on crime.
When they come, instead of 2,500 wrong parking, they tell you it's 50,000. Where you want to go? Oh yeah, let's go. Go to security. Go to... You pay 50,000. Even you will be begging them with a 50,000. Nigeria is the only land that doesn't fix any... That is what a crime is supposed to be. The punishment for the crime is not stipulated. So they base it on tribe, and base it on face, base it on who you are. Can you imagine that kind of country? Am I lying?
No.
So what are you talking about the countries? All these people that built, the Easterners, Biafrans that built, yeah, they know they will lose it. They will lose their property at the end. They must. It's part of it. Me, I know. Anywhere they fought war, Kosovo those days, Afghanistan, even Russia, some of the republics. You know how many properties Russia impounded, collected? So many lands. There are some times they say this one, they will not let this one go. They will carve it out from Ukraine. They will collect from Ukrainian territory, say, no, Ukraine, you can go like this, but this one, they are taking it, they will take it. You understand? It is like that. All over the world is like that. In Jerusalem, don't you see it?